Friends, look at this website. Would you believe if I told you that I created it using NotebookLM and Gemini? Yes, you can turn a simple research notebook into a stunning, fully interactive modern website, no coding required. You know what? Most people think that tools like NotebookLM are just for summarizing documents and that Google Gemini is just for answering questions. But honestly, if you stop there, you are missing out on so much more. Today, I'm going to give you a step-by-step workflow that blends deep research with AI-powered site generation, transforming your raw ideas into a premium SaaS-style website that looks and feels like it was made by a professional team with a giant budget. So let's jump right in. Hey everyone, I'm Nitin and you are watching the AI University. Let's get started. First, let's open up the NotebookLM and create a brand new notebook. This is not just about picking up a topic randomly. You just want to be specific, So for this demo, our topic is going to be how one person can run an entire AI-powered business in 2026. And we will include all the tools, system, and workflows. Here is one trick which most people take a wrong turn. Instead of just searching your topic, select from this drop down this option known as deep research. Okay, so this actually makes a massive difference. Deep research doesn't just scrape the surface. It sifts through detailed reports, white papers, and highly trusted sources. As a result, the quality and depth of the information you get is on an entirely different level. So once you hit start, grab a quick coffee because it will take a minute or two to assemble everything. But trust me, this is worth the waiting. So we can see that our processing is completed now. And it has gathered about 20 sources, or I would say 20 high quality sources. Not 5 or 10, but 20. Now you can open the source tab by clicking on 20 sources. And here you can select or deselect which documents you want to keep in your notebook. You are in full control here. So once you are happy with your choices, click this import button here and your custom selection gets added to your notebook, which are completely organized and ready for your projects. You can see that processing has been started. And you can see that your notebook is ready. You can rename it to something like how one person can run an entire AI-powered business in 2026. Now let's move on to the next phase, wherein we will use Google Gemini. Okay. And here we will load up the same notebook we just created in the NotebookLM. So click on this plus sign, click on NotebookLM. And if you select this notebook here, Gemini will load up the same notebook we just created in NotebookLM and it can pull all that deeply researched data directly here. So click on it, click on add. Once it is loaded, head over to this model panel. So here you can see that we have several model options here for Gemini 3. You can choose any model here. And as you can see, every model has its own specific task it is specialized for. So fast is for answering quickly, thinking is for solves complex problem, and pro is for advanced math and code with 3.1 pro. So I will click on this. And why? Because we are not just asking questions here. We want that advanced reasoning here and wants it to build our website or dashboard. And we are going to have the Gemini generate the code. So we all need all its muscle, meaning the pro model's muscles. So here comes the first prompt. This is the key, so pay close attention. So let me copy paste it. So here I have mentioned that I have attached my NotebookLM notebook containing all assets, production information, messaging, and brand guidelines for my website, so and so forth, right? So you can see here I have complete prompt written here, and you can find this prompt and other prompts that I'm going to use subsequently in my school community. The link of the school community is in the description section. There I also have resources related to n8n automation workflows, so you can explore those as well. So hit submit and let Gemini do its things. So what's happening here is really remarkable. Gemini is reading through our entire research notebook and is turning it into a professional website blueprint. And when it's done, you get more than just a vague outline. In fact, you get a fully detailed site architecture, defined brand colors, clear sections, visuals, elements, and ready to build layout, all with just one single line of code. So you can see all the details here, right? It has all the design directions, premium UI UX elements, conversion optimization, so on and so forth. For example, you will get instructions like, this section 1 here as well. So section 1 where the hero and the value proposition is there. So here is the hero section, correct? So it includes everything, the social proof, trust, banner. It breaks it all down so you know exactly what goes here. This structured planning step is what separates an amateur project from a polished premium site. Once your structure is dialed in, it's time for the magic. Now, what you need to do next is switch over to the Gemini's canvas mode. So if you click on this tools section, a pop-up will appear where you will see several options like create image, canvas, create music. So we will select canvas option or canvas mode. Now let's enter our next prompt. Here I have mentioned that please act as a senior front-end web developer and premium UI designer. Generate the complete production-ready code for website based on the structure we just finalized, and then asked it to pull all the exact content and messaging from the notebook, right? Along with several other information. So click submit. Here we go. So watch as Gemini generates your full website before your eyes. You can see it is saying define landing page, outlining the core features, refining the UI elements. And on the right hand side, you can see that it has started generating the code. So you will have the entire source code written in front of you. You can take a look at the source code if you are curious, but the real fun begins as soon as this code gets completed and you get a chance to hit that preview button. So as you can see here, the preview is showing our newly created website, and it's quite an attractive website it has created. Let's try to open it in a separate tab. So you can just click on share and copy this link, paste it in the browser, and wow, you can see that how beautiful this website is, and it looks really professional, as if it is made with a huge budget. You can see that it has a navigation bar at the top with platform, capabilities, use cases, enterprise ROI, and several other buttons, right? You can see this hero section is really attractive. Then we have this moving product bar, automation versus autonomy, right? Then you can see the 4 layers of true agency, and it's quite amazing that it's animated as well. You can see that it has moved from perception to cognition, and then now as we move down or scroll down, it is showing this animated option at the left, right? Then you can see the technical modes, right? Cross-functional impact. Here also several options like software engineering, legal compliance. Wow, it is amazing. And at the bottom you can see that you have this request a demo section wherein you can provide your email, and then the footer as well. As you can see here, it has created the corresponding logo here at the top left as well, along with the name. And this is readily available. You can share it with anyone you want by just clicking on this share button and getting the link from there and sharing it with your friends and family, and in fact with your team. So this website is modern, and it feels like you spend weeks on professional development, not just a few minutes with AI. But before moving forward, I want to spotlight a powerful tool that can multiply your results, especially if you are looking to market or monetize your creations. It is called AdBlitz AI. AdBlitz AI is an AI powered ad generator that transforms product images into high impact video advertisements in just minutes. Whether you are a brand owner, an e-commerce entrepreneur, a marketer, or a content creator, AdBlitz AI lets you produce professional marketing videos without a hassle or expense of hiring a production team or learning video editing. In a snap, you get engaging studio quality ads ready for Google Ads, Meta, TikTok, YouTube, or wherever you want to grow your business. Try it out at adblitzai.com. Now let's go back to the Gemini again. I will provide all these prompts if in case you want on my school community. The link is in the description section. And as I mentioned earlier, if in case you are satisfied with this first version of the website, you can very well use it. But if in case you have certain directions or certain ideas in your mind that you want to incorporate into this base version of the website and you want to enhance it more, then you can definitely give another prompt with your clear directions what you want to incorporate in this website, and it will modify according to your requirements or needs. If this workflow opened your eyes, do me a favor, hit like, subscribe and tap the bell, and please leave a comment if you could build any website or SaaS tool with this AI powered workflow. I read every comment and I'm excited to see your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.